Okay, back on Sportster Training, day 2. Okay, I'm going to pull this piece of crap apart and modify it. What in there now works, so we're not using that though. So I know the forks work and I know the gears work, I just know the shifter don't work. So that's what we're going to work on. Alright, where's my tools at? If I can't make the old stuff work like I'm trying to, then I'll come back and put this one back in there and call it done. We're going to try to use the customer's parts, but they are going to have to be modified. So this will show you what it takes to butcher stuff to make it work. Alright. Hey, all the gears came out that time. Amazing. Okay. Washer. Washer. Shaft. So we're going to make this get some clearance so we don't bottom out. So we're going to modify the fork that goes in there. I'm not going to cut down the shaft. It's too thin already. Where'd the parts go? Whatever. This one will work. Okay. Alright, we know this one works. This is the late version. So I'm not sure what exact clearance we got in here, but whatever's in here is just enough to make it work. The ones on this repop thing here is not enough to make it work. So I got to figure out if it's hitting right on this edge here, which is what I think it's doing, or is it hitting on this edge out here? It's hitting on one of these edges. Whichever edge it's hitting on is the one I got to radius a little bit. So I got to figure out what that is. Okay, we're going to put his old one back in. Got to steal some O-rings or some springs out of here. These his are, how many of these are out right now? This is these are his, I think. Maybe, I don't know. The ones I got for now. Yeah, the only 2 springs I got, so it must be his old ones. Okay, so they go back in there. Squeeze me one on top of the ramp right there. Okay, that's it. Okay, that fits in there like it's supposed to. Works both directions. Too high, you can't see half the stuff I'm doing. Okay, that works nice and free. No binding. Okay. Got our shaft here. Okay. It goes in there like this. So when it shifts, it's over there like that. So you can see where it hits right in there like that. So the light just went out. So that mark is right there. So it's hitting right here on the inside of that mark right there, that edge. So we need to get that radius off just a little bit to do what we want to do. Okay. This thing should be hardened. We don't know if it's hardened, but it should be hardened. So it goes just like that. So it's that edge right there. So I can probably almost put a file in there to do that. So let's see how hard it is. Pretty stinking hard, that's how hard it is. So you ain't filing it, as you can tell. It's hard. So that means I gotta grind it. So we can go back with a little bit of a grinder. I'm going to try a flap wheel because they'll leave a pretty good radius on a flap. I don't like flaps, but in this case that's probably the best way. The other way you can use a hard cutoff saw, go in there and just kiss it at a 45 and that'll probably do the trick. So, but you got to be careful on either one of those two tools. So let's go back and figure out what we got back there to use. What I have in tools we're going to use. Alright, we're back. Alright, we're back here. Let's see how we can screw up something back here. Alright, so let's double check to see what the hell I'm doing here. Let's see if this fits on here. Where the hell's this thing at? It's on this side. Okay, here's the mark. The mark matches. Don't have to go all the way in the corner, but we get a bit halfway and we gotta be radiused. Okay, this disc is kind of worn out, so we'll see how it works. So I'm just gonna hold in here and make a mess. Digging on the back side over here, so. Okay, so a little bit of a flat spot in there now. There's before, there's after. I don't know if that's showing up in video or not. Okay, I'm going to do the other side here. Same thing. Yeah. Kind of, sort of. Roll the edge a little bit. Dig in. So I kind of raised it a little bit on both sides. All right, let's see how this works. Clean it all up. And we'll go try it. We're back.